Just introduce yourself.
I'm Lachelle Tompkins.
How is it that you came to find Hutchison and Stoy?
Through a friend of a friend.
Why did you decide to hire a personal injury lawyer?
I had an MRI. I needed the results. I went to an appointment and I was turned away because the insurance company for the person that had hit me hadn't paid the doctor any at all. So I was told that I could not see the doctor until they received payment.
And so you thought a personal injury lawyer would be able to help you do that?
That's right.
All right. Well, why is it that you decided to hire me?
I talked to you on the phone.
And
your voice, and you immediately had answers for me, and I knew that I could trust you.
And then we met in person?
Yes, we did.
And how did that meeting go, in your opinion?
It went well.
Did you sign up then?
I did.
Okay. Take me through the representation that we provided for the first couple of months, how that helped you.
You immediately got me in to see a physician. I saw a doctor over in Dallas. He immediately started a treatment plan for me. He did some injections in my neck, which helped relieve the pain.
Right. And you didn't have to come out of pocket for any of this, right?
No, I did not.
Never actually had to come out of pocket once you hired me.
Correct.
And then I guess I got your claim moving and everything taken care of in that regard?
Yes, you did.
All right. Let's take me to that day of the wreck and what happened and how it made you feel. Can you do that for me?
I can. I was working for a hospice company. I had just visited with a former practice manager that I'd worked with. Was leaving from there to take some documents down to my employer, and a person ran a red light and hit me. It changed my life. I shouldn't have walked away from that accident. I'd had a very major surgery 9 days prior, and I was actually able to walk away from that accident.
But you were still in pain for
absolutely
quite a long time.
A long time, for about 3 years.
Yeah, still in pain to this day.
Yes.
Luckily, though, you've received treatment to help.
That's right. I had a spinal cord stimulator implanted, and it has really relieved my pain.
All right. So after you hired me and we started handling the claim, we then filed suit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you talk to the potential people who may be looking to hire me on what services we provide you, like in terms of deposition prep, just the support that we give you? Just tell them what you've received from us.
I felt completely confident in going into a deposition. I was very nervous about doing a deposition initially when I was told that I would have to do that. But you took the extra time, extra nights to prep me for my deposition, and I felt 100% confident going into that deposition that I would come out and do a good job. And I did.
You did. I agree. How long did we spend prepping for your deposition?
We spent a full Sunday evening and then another Monday evening before our deposition.
All right. Can you talk about some of the things that we did in preparation for your deposition?
We went through some practices that you had learned at your trial lawyer college, through some actual, what is it called, a reenactment of the accident, about how it made me feel, about exactly what occurred when the accident occurred, and it really brought all of that accident right up to the forefront again, and I was very ready for that deposition the following day.
And you knocked it out of the park?
I did.
And did you stay for the deposition of the defendant?
I did.
And I took that deposition?
Yes, you did.
And can you tell me about that deposition?
He was very ill prepared.
Who was very ill prepared?
The person that hit me was very ill prepared.
Okay.
Not you.
Okay. So tell me about that deposition of the defendant then.
Oh, goodness. He apparently had not spoken to his lawyer in person at all. It sounded as though it had all been over the phone. He was stumbling over answers to questions. I didn't have that issue.
So, in addition to the deposition and the and just the overall service. How else do we help you out?
Well, I knew anytime that I had a question that I could message you and you were going to answer me.
All right. So if you had to say that there was one thing that just stood above the rest in terms of quality of services that we provided, what would that be?
It's always having an answer for me. Always having my back whenever I had any issue. If I were hurting again, I could call you and you could get me in to see a physician.
All right. And was I always available for,
Yes.
talking? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. No matter what the time?
No matter what the time, yes.
And I would harass you from time to time, right?
Yes.
About going to appointments or...
Yes, I missed one appointment, yes.
And did you get in trouble for that?
I did.
So you would tell them then, don't miss appointments?
Yeah, don't miss your appointments.
Okay.
Even the follow-ups when you feel good.
Yeah. All right, so last question. Would you recommend Hutchinson Stoy?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
Mm-hmm.